They are the baking elite. They are a source of inspiration. They project themselves into the future. Expertise, creation and innovation, transmission and inspiration. Welcome to the 2018 Masters de la Boulangerie. The adventure started 5 years ago with the Louis Lesaffre Cup, selecting the best national teams for the Coupe du Monde de la Boulangerie. Along the way, 18 individual competitors were selected for their particular talent in keeping with the spirit of the Masters de la Boulangerie. Shun Yusi, Taiwan. Juicy Sagawa, Japan. Marcus Moriathis, Canada. Peter Bienveld, the Netherlands. Dean Tilden, Australia. Osman Gunduz, Turkey. Jeffrey De Leon, USA. Yushi Chen, Taiwan. Deborah Ott, France. Alan Dimoso, Canada. Anna Gribanova, Russia. Gaston Alejandro Mino, Argentina. Young Shu Pak, South Korea. Peng Shiwang, Taiwan. Binzu, China. Eduardo Beltram, Brazil. Jacob Bagenstos, USA. Santaha Manihram, Mauritius. To become a pioneer, the road is long. You have to be curious. You have to push yourself to leave your comfort zone. You have to be open-minded and visionary. becomes a mentor more than a trainer. When a competitor cries tears of delight at having surpassed themselves. When the public proclaims their admiration in front of mind-blowing creations. When a taster thinks dessert and tasting while eating a piece of bread. Well, then we are witnessing a real turning point in the baking profession. Lesaffre showcased its vision of the bakery of tomorrow, and the competitors all got on board. We took a risk. They did too. And the results are clear to see.